So is the market about to take off? It is the question. It is the question that we're all asking. We're all kind of staring around like looking at each other going, what the hell's about to happen or not? Okay, we've got a situation playing out here right now with the current state of the union. The market is doing absolutely nothing. I've talked about this in video after video after video. We've got the Russia-Ukraine war. It is a wet blanket on the entire crypto market. Right here, right now, let me show you this real quickly. The Dow futures are down 84 as of the recording of this video. Dow and Nasdaq futures are down. We've got a kind of a wet blanket on the stock market as well. Okay, now I want to show you this and I want to talk to you about this particular indicator. So I read this and I'm like, interesting. This is something that I've been aware of and been kind of watching, but this is very interesting. We could be poised for a breakout session if you look at this indicator as one of kind of the data points, okay? Actually, before I get in this, I want to look at this right here. I haven't refreshed this today. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we've got crypto fear and greed at a 30. We've moved up a little bit. We were at about a 25, 28, and we've kind of been moving up. But we're still in fear. I'd like us to be moved over here. But this crypto fear and greed index, this is measuring social sentiment or social anxiety or lack thereof. Fear and greed in retail investors. Hundreds of millions of you and I, we're retail investors. Okay, now back to my original point. Is the market about to explode? Is the market about to take off? Possibly, if you're looking at this indicator. Okay, right here. Tether unique addresses may indicate huge crypto move is imminent as Bitcoin hovers at 41K. I read that and I'm like, okay. And then I kind of went down and read this, and this is what really got my attention. Okay. With Bitcoin hovering around 41,000 on March 21, as of recording this video, the change in the number of stable coins is a signal possibly that a significant move in the cryptocurrency market may be imminent in a bullish pattern. Okay. Hear me out. Listen to this. This is really interesting. Okay. As shown by the fact that Tether USDT stablecoin, right, has had two of the largest increases in address activity in 2022, according to data published by this analysis platform. Okay, bear with me. I'm going to get to the point. Okay, the platform revealed that, quote, stablecoins are finally beginning to move, as the number of USDT unique addresses hit their highest level since December of 2020 on March 19th. Here it is, right here. The platform highlighted, here's what you need to remember, that highlighted two dates. So it said, hey, on March 17th, 83,000 and March 19th, 74,000, which had the two largest days of 2022 in terms of addresses interacting on the network, while noting for crypto traders to, quote, keep an eye on the diminishing stagnancy. Stagnancy? Stagnancy. You get my point. Okay, so right here, here's another point. On March 21, another stablecoin, USD, that pegged to the United States dollar, blah, blah, was traded out of Crypto.com wallet accounting. So there's a Crypto.com wallet that had $200 million in USDC in it, and a lot of it was transferred out to potentially basically signal that, quote, a big stablecoin money is on the move. Here's what it comes down to, is that traders, when the market is in flux and things are not, like we've had, or they're flat, is that a lot of the smart money, there's a lot of money that moves into stable coins, USD, Tether, etc. Okay, that money moves into those stable coins is kind of like, hey, we're going to hold it here, and it's basically saying that the stable coin money is starting to move in very large volumes and large chunks, which might be signaling that we've got a lot of potential bull run activity starting to come. This money's moving to start getting ready to be put into Bitcoin, Ethereum, large transactions, so Solana, etc., etc., etc. Okay, that's what I want you to walk away from, is that the movement of these stable coins is signaling a potential bull run. What do you think? Drop in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Is the market about to take off? I don't know. Let's watch it and let's see, because that sure would be a hell of a lot better than this. than kind of where we're at. This kind of, that's a technical term right there. It's Austin technical term. What do you think? I think it looks good. And if you look at that, I mean, there's always different indicators, right? There's always probably another piece of data that says this is just the opposite of what I just told you. So you never know. Everybody's got their opinion. I want to hear from you. I'll see you later. Have a good one. Bye.